A lot of people ask me, what's Treasure Valley Tech? And I explained to them that all we're simply trying to do is we're trying to change the way education happens in this state. It's that simple. The Automated Control Systems program at Treasure Valley Tech is designed to help high school students that are very engineering oriented to get a better sense of how they can move themselves forward in a career towards be more technical.
What that program does is bring students in and prepare them to go to work in manufacturing industry locally. Examples might be Amalgamated Sugar or Simplot.
Automated control systems are used in every manufacturing plant in the region. And what we're finding is that if these students get the basic certificate in this program, they will be very, very employable. And we've heard that from our business and industry partners that if they come with a certain level of skill set that we've designed the curriculum around, that they'll have jobs. And we know that there are ways to train those students even more to then go on to robotics and drones or PLCs. There's so many opportunities and so many possibilities with automated control systems, things we can't even predict yet, but we know those are coming and we're working on developing that curriculum.
It's a lot of fun. We had a lot of tough things that we had to get through and think through, but especially working in teams, it helps because we can bounce our ideas off of each other. And it's never boring. There's always something that we're doing that's fun.
If you're interested in engineering, or even if you're not, I recommend taking it because it gives you so many credits free of charge.
The students would go for 2 years while they're going in their junior and senior years of high school. They would be able to attend college level courses and get credit for that coursework being done right here on campus. And again, it saves them time toward their career path certificate, or eventually, if they continue here, it would advance toward their degree as well.
Like the name implies, automated systems deals with mechanical devices that are automated that control things such as industry line in cars, robots that assemble vehicles, and it could be something as basic as temperature gauges in a electric facility.
Yeah, this program itself is associated with applied science. And what that means is that, yeah, they have some math classes that are important to do, because what they want to do is they want to have the students be able to critically think. And critically thinking becomes with what? With skills that are math-oriented, with reading-oriented, with writing-oriented. I mean, you have to be willing to do those things in these classes to do it.
Here in Malheur County, we have a lot of industries like agriculture. They're trying to understand how we incorporate different new devices, drones, robotics, automated controls, computers, into our professions. There's certainly a need for people that can use those devices. There's going to be a need for people that can maintain those devices. There's clearly a need to understand how we even, or to define the purpose for the device in the industry. I think the idea of Treasure Valley Tech is interesting because we're really trying to give these students an earlier vision for their future career, rather than just going to high school and taking some classes that they may or may not appreciate, that may or may not really pertain to their future. Instead, by getting their hands dirty, as it were, with these gizmos, it gets them engaged in the opportunity and understand how they can move their career forward. It's not easy breaking silos, a lot of resistance. New things are always hard, but I think that everybody that's been involved with this program is very enthusiastic when they see the positive outcomes, the way these kids are engaging with the opportunity that they have right now. Certainly, I'm very proud of what we've done so far.